Track 11. Bobby is talking with his friend Sue about Chinese New Year. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Sue, I received many red packets during Chinese New Year. I got $1,000. I spent $300 on books, and I donated the rest to charity.
That's very nice of you.
Track 12. Listen to the second half of the conversation. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
How did you spend your red packet money?
I donated some red packet money to charity too. I donated $200 to Worldwide Fund, and I donated $350 to World Vision.